stories are like the life for me. And I hope you will like this book as much as me. Even though it's really good, I hope you will read this book and like it as much as me. If you enjoy it, tell me. I hope you have fun.